Hi, my name is Howard, and I'm going to walk you through how to travel with your ATTO Sport in the airport, onto the airplane, and give you a step-by-step instruction. The first is going to be obviously going from the car to the airport. The ATTO Sport fits in any car trunk, so no need for an oversized taxi or large rental car to get to the airport. Now, you can ride your ATTO Sport from wherever you parked your car all the way into the terminal. But should you need to get on one of the buses or the shuttles or a tram, you can easily fold the scooter up. They'll place it on for you and take you right to the terminal. Now, many times, some of you may use the wheelchair service when you go to the airport. You don't have to use a wheelchair anymore. You've got complete, total freedom in that airport. What's the advantage? Well, you don't have to worry if that attendant is standing behind you should you need to go to the restroom, or your flight's delayed and you want a cup of coffee, or it's delayed even more and you're getting hungry, you want to go to the restaurant. With your ATTO Sport, you can go anywhere in the airport. Now, mobility scooters are treated just like powered wheelchairs. They're both medical devices. That means the Constitution protects you from discrimination for having a disability. And you don't have to prove you need the mobility scooter. It's also not considered luggage. So, no extra baggage fees, just like a stroller. Once you're at the terminal, you're going to want to go to the check-in area. Show them the battery and show them that it's a dry-sealed lithium-ion battery. Now, should they have any questions about that, you can point out the watt hours, which are well under what the FAA guidelines are. This is completely FAA approved. This pamphlet will also explain all the specifications needed for them to approve you and let you on the plane with this scooter. You're going to want to now drive it all the way to the gate. Don't check it with your luggage. As you're approaching the TSA security point, explain to them that this is a medical device and that you can't stand for long periods of time. They'll assist you in getting through security without you having to fold this up or do anything. They'll take it off to the side. Then you get back on and ride it to the gate or wherever you want within the airport. So when you get to the gate, check in with the gate attendant. They'll put a tag on it and explain to them that it's a mobility device. Now, when you do that, they're going to allow you and your entire party that you're flying with, if it's your family or your friends, to board with you. You'll skip right to the front of the line. And there you've got some options. You can drive the scooter right to the door of the plane and get ready to take it onto the plane with you. You'll need to take the battery with you. Now, you can place it in the essentials pouch that you might have purchased with the scooter or into your own personal carry-on luggage. Either way, it snaps in and out very easily. It only weighs 4 pounds. It even has its own carrying handle, and you'll take that to the seat with you and stow it either underneath or in the overhead compartment. Once the battery is removed, you can fold the scooter into trolley mode and roll it right onto the airplane. The scooter can be split into 2 pieces, and each piece can be easily stored in an overhead compartment. Now, you might have to use 2 compartments, but doesn't matter. You're the first on the airplane. The other option is the captain's closet. Now, some of the larger planes have a captain's closet that can accommodate this scooter, and they'll simply place it in the captain's closet for you. Or, your other option is to fold up the scooter at the entrance of the plane, put on the flight kit, and an attendant will take it down below the plane for you. Again, be sure to take the battery with you. You can put your tag right on the flight kit, and it'll be there when you land, ready to go. Either way, when you land, you put the battery back in the scooter and off you go. So now that I've walked you through the various steps in going through the airport and taking your ATTO Sport with you on an airplane anywhere in the world, you can see it's really a breeze. It's simple, it's easy. The ATTO Sport is the best choice for traveling by car, air, and sea. Your ATTO Sport can take you where you want to go. Safe travels.
Wherever you go, Movinglife has you covered. We have locations and offer demonstrations all across the US. Our products are sold and serviced in over 65 countries, so you can travel worry-free.